product demonstration, this time on the 2021 Toyota Hilux with some accessories that we've fitted. I'll take you for a walk around and show you. SR5 Cruiser that we've done the upgrades on. It's got a aluminium nudge bar. We've fitted an upgraded interior. We've pulled out the factory leather interior and upgraded it with the Monza sport seating with the extra shoulder support and the fine Italian leather with the twin diamond stitching. You can see, being the Cruiser, it's got the upgraded sound system and some of those upgraded features that you don't get on just the SR5. It's got the electric shutter lid, just operates off a key fob here. This also comes in manual. There's some upgraded features on this new model with the removable drains if they get blocked up down the track. It's also got the upgraded aluminium rain gutters now to catch any dribbles that do come in, and the internal light as well. This has also got the aluminium sports bar, which is certified to carry 150 kgs on the actual sports bar itself, and we've fitted the Rhino roof racks. Electric shutter lid can also be fitted without the sports bar, and roof racks can fit straight into this channel here.